Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Sapna here. In today's video, we will create Orry Kada bracelet which he posted in Instagram recently. Take a binding wire and rotate it over a bottle as shown. Here I've used air dry clay. If you have polymer clay, you can use it as well. Give the shape of a snake as shown. Using the scissors, make scales. Next, apply gliding paste and allow it to dry for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you can just stick the gold foil. Apply fabric glue and then stick the stones as shown. This is how it looks after you complete it. Hope you like this video. If you like my videos, please do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe.